You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly, the name of this short-range wireless technology. If you want to learn more names from technology that are confusing and many get wrong, stay tuned. It's pronounced in English as Bluetooth. Blue, like the color. Bluetooth. The TH is pronounced with your tongue between your teeth. Some say Bluetooth, like an F. No, Bluetooth. How to pronounce Bluetooth. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.